Morning, you lovely, lovely lot. You join us the morning for the Mastermind. We're just about to set off the day before, just so we can go down the day before, check it all out and chill out, relax, put a gym session in, have a swim. So we're gonna head down now and we're gonna take you along for the whole ride this weekend. This Mastermind's been a one of a kind. The one I did in November 2025 was just a day in London. This time it's a weekend away in a lovely, lovely UK country estate, as you'll see. And we've got some great traders coming down and flying in from, Europe and some from the UK as well. So promises to be a good event. Hello everybody, we are just back from a gym session and just back to the room. Hope everyone is doing well. This place is absolutely lovely. It's Friday afternoon at the moment now, I think. And so we're just done a gym session, had some lunch, and just monitoring it at New Zealand dollar, New Zealand yen long. Risk to reward is a 3.3. So running in, I think we're about 0.8% up at the moment. It's Friday afternoon, so who knows? We're looking brilliant in terms of from a technical perspective, but who knows? It's Friday afternoon now, and we've not quite had the push we wanted. I know Monday coming up is the last day of June, the last day of Q2. But for me, probably Monday's highly likely to be a trading day anyway. So today might be the last trading day of June and subsequently Q2. Just going to do a little bit more prep in terms of mastermind wise, and then we'll freshen up, get changed, and we're going to head for some alfresco dining outside for some dinner. And then a couple of the mentees, a couple of the people coming to the community to the mastermind tomorrow, arriving actually tonight. So depending on what time they get in, we'll probably go for a drink, glass of whiskey, something like that. But yeah, I'll keep taking along with it. Hey, what is up? We are now back home from the Mastermind, and just as the day and the night went on, I took a less and less footage. Obviously, I wanted to be incredibly present there for the people that were there and make sure as much value was given. But it ended up being a fantastic event. Everybody very happy, a lot of knowledge, a lot of value shared, and that was the whole point. I said to the guys at the start of the day on the Saturday, I want you to take as much value from this mastermind, because ultimately as humans and as people, obviously we're talking in a trading perspective, but in general, we don't know what we don't know. And some people may think they know it, but it's something else holding them back. But actually they don't know certain things that they do need to know. And that's the thing that's stopping them bridging that gap to actually long-term consistent profitability. A lot of people watching this will be good technical traders, will have good winning weeks or winning months, but can't string it together, can't be consistently profitable. Okay, and there's a lot more that's out there that unfortunately in terms of concepts and the deeper psychological concepts that people don't talk about, because most people educating out there aren't who they say they are, so aren't even profitable themselves and don't even know this information themselves. But secondly, people like myself that we are long-term consistently profitable, these type of concepts, okay, that we've gone through at the Mastermind, they're not sexy, you know. People aren't going to be interested in them on social media, because people on social media are looking for a quick fix and a dopamine hit, which is not trading. So I always say to people, invest into your education, invest into your knowledge, and it ended up being a fantastic weekend with lots of value shared. As always, thank you for watching these videos. There will be a 2026 Mastermind. There's been some talk of it being in Europe on a boat for a weekend, something like that. Obviously, 2026 is a long way off yet, but we will see. And as always, thank you for watching. And yeah, I just love doing these events. Meeting people in person is utterly brilliant because, yeah, it's great. So take care, guys, and thank you as always for watching.